to get up early. Her clothes are old, but never are they dirty. Living just enough for the city. Yeah. Wait a minute. Y'all listen here. Her brother's smart. He's got more sense than me. His patience long, but soon he won't have it. Just to find a job is like a haystack needle. 'Cause the way he lives, they don't use colored people. Living just enough. Oh, just enough for city. His hair's long, his feet are hard and gritty. He spends his life walking the streets of New York City. He's almost dead from breathing in air pollution. He tries to vote, but to him there's no solution. Living just enough. Oh, just enough for city. Inside my voice is sorrow, and that motivates you to make a better tomorrow. This place is cruel, nowhere could be much colder. And if we don't change, y'all, the world will soon be over. Living just enough, stop giving just enough for the city. I'm so tired. For living for the city. I'm just trying to make ends meet. Somebody out there help me. Help me now. Oh Lord, what am I doing here with all this pain and suffering? With all the murder and drugs in the street, Lord. Rats and roaches crawling all over everything. And I can't find a job nowhere. Lord, my kids ain't got no shoes. Ain't got no food to eat. Lord, the water has been turned off. My gas don't burn anymore. Please. They keep trying to tell me they got all.